In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HoneyBook. Once you've logged into your HoneyBook account, start on the homepage. This is your main dashboard, and it gives you a quick snapshot of what's happening in your business. From here, you can review recent activity, keep an eye on upcoming tasks, check new leads and bookings, and use the quick create options when you need to start something fast. It's a great place to begin each day because it helps you see what needs attention right away. Next, open projects. This is where you'll manage your client projects, track each project's stage, and keep client work organized from start to finish. If you're juggling multiple jobs at once, this area helps you stay structured and avoid missing important details. Then go to lead capture. This section lets you create lead forms so potential clients can send inquiries directly to you. It's especially useful for streamlining your intake process and gathering information before you even start a conversation. After that, open calendar to schedule meetings, appointments, and events with clients. Keeping everything in one place makes it much easier to stay on top of your availability and avoid scheduling conflicts. Now, head to services. Here, you can create and manage the services you offer, including descriptions and pricing. Taking time to set this up properly can save you time later when building proposals or sharing service details with clients. Next, open files. This area helps you manage important documents like invoices, contracts, proposals, scheduling files, services, and questionnaires. Think of it as a central storage space for the materials you use most often. From there, go to templates. Templates are helpful because they let you create reusable versions of contracts, proposals, invoices, emails, and other documents. This can make your workflow much faster and more consistent. Now open finance. This is where you'll track payments, invoices, expenses, tax documents, and financial reports. It's an important section for understanding the financial side of your business and keeping records organized. Then open automations to build workflows that automatically send emails, reminders, invoices, and follow-ups. Automation is a big time saver, especially if you repeat the same process for every client. You can also open tools to access additional HoneyBook features and business tools, and reports to review performance, revenue, bookings, and client activity. In contacts, you'll manage your client list and view customer information. In resources, you'll find guides, tutorials, and support materials if you need extra help. In settings, you can manage your account, company details, payment settings, integrations, team members, and personal preferences. Finally, use the search bar at the top to quickly find projects, contacts, invoices, contracts, and other records. And whenever you want to create something quickly, use the plus new button to add contacts, projects, invoices, contracts, meetings, or lead forms. Thanks for watching.